everybody, welcome to Creative Outlaw. My name is Jen, also known on the playa as Jem, the Electric Cowgirl. One of the most useful pieces of information that you can arm yourself with before you go out to Burning Man is how to read a map of the playa. So first and foremost, right smack in the center of everything is the man. He's the centerpiece of the whole show. And then you have an area surrounding him that is where mutant vehicles live and a lot of great art structures and some areas of interest. And then a little bit outside of that, you have the centermost ring of the city itself, which is known as Esplanade. And then outside of Esplanade, all the concentric circles from the center on out are organized in alphabetical order. So you would have A Street, B Street, C Street, etc. The cross streets radiating out from the center are named by their position on a clock face. So you would have 2 o'clock, 2:30, 3 o'clock, etc. all the way around. Heading out towards Deep Playa is the temple. So you can figure out where you are based on just looking at the man and where he's facing in relation to you, or where the temple is in relation to the man. If you're looking at the man and you can see his face, you're probably right around 6 o'clock because he faces that direction. If you're looking at him and you can see his left side and you can see the temple off in the distance, you're probably somewhere around 3 or 4 o'clock. This will help you to determine where you are, especially at night when you can't see a lot of the markers that you can see during the day. So for example, if you're trying to get to this camp here, then the innermost ring is Esplanade, and then starting from the center, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So this camp is located at 430 and G. Another important landmark in Black Rock City is Center Camp, and it covers about a full acre. It is a shaded structure that serves up hot and cold drinks. That's where you can purchase ice. There are music stages. There's lots of amazing art. So this is a really great place to go meet some new people, to refresh your spirits, to replenish your electrolytes, and to just take a break out of the sun. I highly recommend that you get there a few times, at least during the week. Of all of the areas of Burning Man, Deep Playa is the most like the Wild Wild West. You really never know what you're going to find out there. So the entirety of the event covers about 7 square miles. This is another reason that you really need a bike, is because of the scale of the city. Once you get out past the concentric rings of Black Rock City itself and past Deep Playa, you'll come to a pentagon-shaped wall. It's called the perimeter fence. And this is there to denote exactly where Black Rock City begins and where it ends, and also to keep all of its citizens safe. Please, we beg you, do not try to go past the perimeter wall. Every year people go out there chasing the sun or wanting an adventure, and it's just very dangerous for you, and it means that now the rangers have to go chase you. And you really don't want that. They don't want that. Nobody wants that. So stay within that perimeter wall. It's very important for your safety and the safety of the volunteers working at Burning Man. I think that does it for today. So thanks for watching. This has been Jen with Creative Outlaw. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out the links in the comments and leave comments yourself if you have more tips to share. And I hope we'll catch you guys again next time.